We have another very important voice, unrelated matter, of course, SBI chairman. He's talking about NPAs, he's talking about mergers in PSBs. Listen into what he has to say.
It was around today's event. There has been a consistent effort in improving the performance of the public sector banks, and results are becoming visible. There was a Manthan program almost more than 1 year back where the agenda was decided, and the agenda is about the customer responsiveness, responsible lending, technology adoption, financial inclusion. And as you would have seen that when the awards were presented, many banks have excelled in these areas, and that's how their effort was recognized. This is first time in my career of 39 years in the banking that the public sector banks, their efforts and their management has been recognized for the efforts they have made. So the things are looking much better, and that is coming out all from the statistics which is available in the public domain and the results which banks have declared. So we will continue to follow this path, and all the public sector banks will continue to follow this path. And now there is an index, there is a measurement and evaluation metrics against which individual banks can benchmark, and they will try their best that next year when these awards are given, the others who could not get, or the others who could not be in the first place, will be in the first place.
Sir, about 98,000 crore worth of recovery has already happened post this IBC process. In the next few quarters, what is the kind of number that you are looking at, and are you expecting significant cases like the likes of SR and all to get...
So there are like in NCLT some big cases, and they all are in advanced stage, and as soon as the process for adjudication is over, then banks will get their money.
But with so many banks are now coming out of the PCA, so that is obviously lending is going to get a big boost out of that. Any figure you have in mind in the credit offtake?
No, credit offtake already, again, if you look at RBI statistics, the industry has been growing around 15 to 16%. And going forward, I think that trend will continue.
And so what's the update as far as has also talked about?
Again, he has spoken today. The finance minister is continuously talking about PSB.
Is there something on the order that he is repeating the same thing again?
Three are already in the process, and 1st April is the day. And rest, whenever any other announcement is, that government will decide and you will come to know.
So what's the update as far as Jet Airways resolution process?
Jet Airways I am not commenting because individual accounts, bank never comments. So please don't ask me question on individual accounts.
What is your take on the upcoming possibilities of the amalgamation in the banking
because you
sector?
did the first presentation last year, sir, if you recall. SBI did the lead presentation.
We did. We merged the banks. I think the success of this merger will determine the future course.
So we are on that path of looking at it.
Which one is currently going on?
But currently in this transition, in the political transition phase, you don't see any scope, right? I mean, only once the new
I think that is logical to assume. Thank you.
All right, thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Okay, that of course is the SBI chairman talking about what was discussed, and of course not to mention more importantly the fact that BSU banking mergers, it will depend a lot on how the BOB merger pans out, and that would essentially determine the future course for more mergers. He's also mentioning that things are finally looking better for PSU banks, and we did see that to a certain extent when it comes to the assets quality performance as well in the 3rd quarter for a lot of these PSU banks.